Welcome to HorizonAX Shield, the AI-powered enterprise compliance solution that ensures regulatory adherence with intelligent automation. In this demo, we'll explore its key features and how it simplifies compliance management. The first step is creating a compliance profile. This profile determines the compliance standard against which your data will be scanned. Enter a name and description for your compliance profile, which will help in identifying and managing compliance scans. Now, choose the drive where the compliance scan will be performed. Click Save and Next to proceed. Next, define the compliance details. Here, you can select specific folders within the drive and set the recursion depth to determine how deep the scan should go. Once selected, click Save and Next to finalize compliance details. The third step is setting up the scan schedule. Select an AI engine to power your compliance scan. HorizonAX Shield supports OpenAI and Llama for accurate analysis. Pick an AI model to enhance compliance scanning. Next, set the data scan frequency to define how often scans should run automatically. For input, select Profile and choose from the available compliance profiles waiting for a scan schedule. Click Scan and Save to start the compliance scan. The system will analyze files and generate a compliance report. Once the scan is complete, you can review the compliance report. Files are categorized based on risk levels: high, medium, and low. Detailed metadata is available for each non-compliant file, including detection date, file size, and modification history. Compliance reports can also be downloaded for record-keeping and audit purposes. HorizonAX Shield is your comprehensive solution for enterprise compliance, combining AI-driven accuracy, seamless integration, and enterprise-grade security. Simplify compliance, mitigate risks, and stay ahead of regulatory requirements with HorizonAX Shield.